Step 3 is to begin with the given measurement, which is 930 deciliters over 1. And then we're going to multiply. I know this will be 2 steps because I have 2 arrows up here, so I'll just go ahead and put room for 2 fractions. If we have deciliters here, in order to get the deciliters to cancel, we have to put deciliters on the bottom of the next fraction. And since we have 1 deciliter is equal to 10 liters, we will put liters on the top, because those two are equivalent, and therefore this fraction is equivalent to 1. It's 1 deciliter, so 1 goes on the bottom. It's 10 liters, 10 goes on the top. And the deciliters will cancel out. But we're not where we want to be yet, because we want to be at kiloliters, so we need another step here. We need to eliminate the liters. So since liters are on top here, they need to be on the bottom here. And since we have a conversion fact, 1 kiloliter is equal to 1,000 liters, we will put kiloliters here. It's 1 kiloliter, so 1 goes on the top. And it's 1,000 liters, 1,000 goes on the bottom. Now, when we work this out, in this case there are a couple of things you could do. I'm first going to do it the way I've demonstrated for the other 2 problems. 930 times 10 would be 9,300 times 1 would be 9,300. And the denominator would be 1 times 1 is 1 times 1,000 is 1,000. And then you should recall that when we divide 2 numbers like this with lots of zeros at the ends, those zeros can cancel out. So this would be 93 over 10. So that means I need to divide 10 into 93, which will give me 9.3. Another way you could do this problem would be to cancel the 10 and the 1,000 here. 10 goes into 10 one time, and 10 goes into that, knock off that 0. That's going to make that 100. So I would have 930 over 100. And then I could divide 930 by 100, or similarly to what we did last time, cancel out those zeros, and I will still end up with 9.3. So that's just a matter of personal preference. It probably really doesn't make any difference as far as difficulty. Okay, now I've got some exercises for you to try. So what I would like for you to do is pause the recording, write down the exercises, work them out, and then when you have finished, play the video again and you will see the answers revealed. If you disagree with any of the answers, please see your instructor or ask someone in the math lab to help you. And now I will reveal the answers to the exercises. Please check your answers, and again, if you disagree, please see your instructor or someone in the math lab who can help you. And that concludes video number 024A.